Hey y'all, Jazzy here. So today I am going to be applying clip-ins into my old wash and go just for a more fuller look. And of course, we're going to be using Kinkistry. And did you know that Kinkistry provides texture match solutions? Head over to their website so that way you can get the perfect texture the first time that you order. So today I'm using the Kinkistry Koilistics 14-inch clip-ins. I'm just going to part my hair to my liking and then of course apply the clip-ins. Now I also like to finger comb the clip-ins just so that it can give a more natural look as I am applying them all throughout my hair. And as you can see, this texture matches my hair perfectly, so make sure you take advantage of the texture match solutions. So for this look, I decided to do bangs. So here I'm applying the clip-in that has one clip and I'm applying it backwards just like this so that way it can fall forward, creating bangs. So I'm just using 2 of the one clips right in the front. And there you have it. You have bangs now. Super cute. I love this look. So if you're looking for a more fuller look or just something different, be sure to check out Kinkistry.com. They have 100% virgin hair extensions and it's exclusively for natural textures. And be sure to use my code JAZZ10. Later.